Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dina Aminah Cikadewi from 07 SIGP 005. In this occasion, I will present my mind mapping entitled The Stages in Language Acquisitions. 7 topics will be discussed in my mind mapping. There are the definitions of language acquisitions, the definitions of stages, preliminary stages, the first period stages, the second period stages, the third period stages, and the last is the fourth period stages. The first is the definitions of language acquisitions. Language acquisitions is a process that can happen at any point in human life. However, when we talk about the first language acquisitions by a child, we refer to the process or way by which learn their native language. The second is the definitions of stages. Stages are a step of development, growth, or progress. In the stages of language acquisitions, there are 5 stages or time period. Preliminary stage. Preliminary stage is the stage where children imitate any words they hear unintelligible. This stage takes place from birth to around 0 until 1 year. There are 3 major activities during this year. The first is babbling, the second is imitations, and the third is rudimentary. Babbling. This activity occurs when the child is innately disposed or programmed to babble. Imitation. The result of impulse or innate dispositions. This activity also allows the children to practice speech. Rudimentary. This activity refers to the child's response to certain utterances. The first period stage. In the first period, the child acquires a small of numbers with special meaning, which express to the ideas of entire sentence. This stage takes place around 1 until 1.5 years. The second period stage. In the second period, children begin to realize that everything has a name, acquiring, remembering, and then saying it. This stage takes place around 1.5 until 2 years. Third period stage. In the third period, the sentence become well formed, and children are able to form a whole sentence consist the subjects and object. This stage takes place around 2 until 2.5 years. Fourth period stage. In this period, children will enrich their vocabulary and become 3 to 4 word sentences. This stage takes place around 2.5 until 6 years and until now. To conclude, each child's language acquisitions is different, depending on how parents teach their children to learn language. Language acquisitions has certainly increased. Every child must experience an increase in speaking according to the period of time that has been described previously. If the child doesn't improve according to the time period or the stages, it can be said that the child is slow or has a disorder in acquiring language. That's all from me. I apologize if there are some mistakes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.